Okay, guys, so if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, guys, I am decorating my bookcase, and if you've been with me for a while, I've done a living room tour where I said that I needed another bookcase for the other side of my TV and fireplace to balance it out. Well, I ordered it and I just got it a couple days ago and I am so happy with it. And today I'm going to style it for you guys and give you a couple of tips. Now, I ordered from Overstock and it's called South Shore Axis Pure White 5-Shelf Narrow Bookcase. It cost $101.49 plus tax. It was $109.61. If you're interested in it, you can get a 15 off coupon on the site. Now, I needed something for this wall because it's a small wall and I just wanted something that would fit the space. So I took my measurements, and this is 11.5 inches deep, it's 19 inches wide, and it's 68.75 inches tall. So it comes just a little bit above my TV right here, which is what I wanted, okay? So it fits perfectly in the space for me. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do, well, this is the bookcase that I already got that I'm showing you now. The other one is on the other side. I'm going to turn the camera around. It is over there. And I'm going to start by styling the one I already had first because I already had some things up there. That's why I say if you want to go see that living room tour where I showed everything that I had on this bookcase, I will leave it in the iCards up above for you, and you can click on there. So the first thing I want to do is clean off this bookcase because it's pretty dusty. So I'm just going to clean off the shelves. And these gaps here that you see right here, that's just where I cut the back, and I didn't cut it out as much as I should. I cut a little bit too much off, and that's when I had my DVD player in there and I needed some space for the DVD player. I'm just wiping off the bottom shelf. Get it nice and clean. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to style it. I'm going to try a couple of things out, so please just bear with me. And I'm actually going by the colors that I already have in my room. Let's see. So that's one tip, is whatever color scheme that you already have, you could try to stick with that same color scheme. And I have coral, whites, silver, and some hints of gold. other thing, guys, is you can spread everything out that you want to use, and just use what you have. And I have all my decor items already out on the floor. Let me flip this around and show you that. I haven't spread it all out, so I might use all of these things and I might not. I don't know yet. So we're going to see. So I got one side, I think, the way that I want it to go. I have some push lights up under there, so at night it illuminates at night, so that looks very pretty. I think I like it this way. Now we're going to move on to the other bookcase. Okay, so these are the decor pieces that I have left, and I'm going to decorate the other bookcase. I might use all of these, I might not, I don't know yet. So let's get started on that. got everything the way I wanted. I tried to go with the same theme as the other bookcase. I don't want it to be matchy-matchy though. I know some people use their bookcases mostly for books, but because I have a lot of decor and I don't have a lot of space, I like to display it on my bookcase. So on this first shelf, as you can see, I decided to put the pineapples up there because I have the pineapple theme on the other side in the bookcase. And I have the orange candles over there as well, so I put orange candles over here. On this shelf, I put my DIY designer books up there because on the other side I have a black box, so I'm keeping with the theme there. And on this shelf, I have my printed out quote, which I love using these, and I just have it in a Dollar Tree frame. And I have my two Dollar Tree candle holders, which has the little coral in it as well. And on the other side, it has basically, move it over here, the same thing, only the quote says make it happen. And I still have my orange and white flowers over there. And there's that black box, and there are the pineapples with the lantern up there. And on this shelf, the bottom one, I mean not the bottom one, the fourth one, I have my black flower pot vase with my coral flowers in them, and I mimic that on the other side with my DIY flower box. So everything is not matchy-matchy. I don't really like it matchy-matchy, but it does coincide with each other. And if you can see on that bottom shelf down there, I have my gem candle holders. And I tried to mimic that on this side with those. Those are actually gem napkin rings. And I'm just using them on the silver Dollar Tree candle holders. And I have my vase down there, it's white. And I have my mother and baby, Mary and baby, right there in front of the vase. So I still have my gem theme going on down there. And as you can see, each shelf is lit, except for that one. I need a light up under there. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I will put some lights up there. Oh, and up top there I have that's actually a coffee can with some faux flowers in it. And that's on the other side. I wanted to try to mimic this vase, but I've looked all online and I cannot find a vase like this. It is like a mother of pearl finish on it, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love it, but I don't have another one, so I just use the coffee can for now, and I'll probably find something else to use up there instead. I have to move my picture over to this side, and that's how everything came out, guys. I hope this was some inspiration to you. I hope I gave you some ideas. I'm going to move back so you can see how everything looks together from both sides. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. So guys, that's it. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video, my loves. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe, share, and comment down below. Bye-bye, my loves.